one degree, multiple opportunities. And to elaborate this topic, let me introduce our next speaker, CA Jayakrishnan TV, without losing our time. CA Jayakrishnan is a partner in HLB Hemp, one of the leading audit and consulting firm in the UAE, and global network of accounting and audit firm having offices across the globe. CA Jayakrishnan working with HLB Hemp for more than 2 decades. A person initially joined as auditor, soon promoted to the various senior designations and then as partner. He has become the member of Institute Chartered Accountants of India in the year 99 and the member of Cost and Management Accountants, CMA Australia in the year 2010. Jayakrishnan heads the indirect taxes and business consulting divisions of HLB Hemp for the last 5 years and was engaged in audit and various other consulting segments in UAE for more than 15 years previously. He is a member of international leadership team of indirect taxes with HLB International and also served almost 500 plus clients in the UAE. He has attended various local and international conferences and seminars, delivered presentations on various topics covering the tax, audit, and consulting services. So please welcome CA Jayakrishnan TV. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Amit, for your detailed introduction about myself.
Thank you, sir.
I'm Jayakrishnan. I'm one of the partners of HLB Hemp. HLB Hemp is a company who do the audit and most of the management consultancy related services. And since I'm the last speaker of today's event, my job is more easier now because most of the points have been already covered by the previous panelist, and then but I will focus on some of the area where I would like to highlight for the aspirant students of CA. So thank you so much for the ICAI committee members for inviting me to this wonderful event. I qualified my CA in 1999, like Manu was mentioning earlier, and then James sir was mentioning. I'm also from a village, but in between James sir and then Manu. I was traveling around 110 kilometers in a day, for my articleship. And then, I passed my exam on my 26th year of age. And then I spent a couple of years in India, and then immediately I came to Dubai, HLB Hemp, and still I'm continuing with HLB Hemp for the last 20 plus years. And in various designations like auditor, consultant, and then finally as a partner. Now I lead the taxation and then business consultancy division of HLB Hemp. I would like to share my screen, but I will summarize it. I don't take all the slides. Is it visible?
Yes, sir. You can maximize the slide.
Is it?
Sir, click on this. Click on that.
Yeah.
Yes, click on that button.
Is it clear now?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah. So my subject is 1 degree, multiple opportunity. Mostly, these sessions are already been discussed. I will just, for the student purpose, I will just highlight. ICAI is a statutory body established by the Act of Parliament, and then. Again, the missing point was like the second largest professional body of chartered accountants in the world. That was the point which I wanted to highlight through this slide. Functions under the administrative control of the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, Government of India. And we know CA. CA is simply chartered accountant. There is no doubt about that. But jokingly, we used to say, like if you add some spicy on that, we used to, get up with, say, can-do attitude, and then challenge it, achieve it, certainly achievable. These are the terminology which we used to use in most of the day. Come again, and complete accountant, computerized accountant, etc. So these are just I'm just adding you because you must have heard it in your most of your newspapers and readings and the social medias and all. And now, being a tough course, like the previous speakers mentioned, CA is a tough course. If you really wanted to be a CA, you should have desire to do it. That is very, very important. Self-belief and hard-working mentality towards the objective, and consistent learning and practices. This was also mentioned by Naveen Sharma earlier. Consistent learning and practice makes you a better CA now. Passing an exam is a tough process, but after passing the exam, consistently learning and practicing the topics makes you a better CA. And then, as you know, confidence increases upon every success. That's for sure. But once you are a CA, I felt that the confidence level has gone up. And also the skill, analytical skill is also important, thing which you normally gains during your CA course. Hardworking mindset. And then perfection on everything you do. You will be striving towards perfection on everything you do, because you have learned that in your CA curriculums. Now, this has been discussed. What CA course opens? Like, CA course opens doors for many opportunity. Self-practice, taking a job, start own business. These are the normal way we get opportunity. Self-practice, taking a job, and starting own business. If I go to the next slide, I wanted to stress a point that, technology revolution, because the previous panelist was specifically mentioning technology is not all, but I would add on that, though I don't argue with that, but I would like to say that technology changes, the profession a lot now. That is what my experience. The way we look the balance sheet now is totally changed. Balance sheet remains same, but the way we look the balance sheet changed because of the technology implementations in most of the segments where we are involved in. So unless, as a CA student, you should be able to understand that, CA passing is not all. Passing a CA is the first step. Definitely, we should be able to take up the IT knowledge. I have used the terminology comfortable IT knowledge. Comfortable IT knowledge is up to every individual. What is comfortable to you, you learn it. Software knowledge and skills on development of MIS dashboard reports, mostly used for decision-making purpose, very important now. Artificial intelligence, usage and application in finance profession. Knowledge updating and learn to unlearn. That is also an important terminology which you should be looking after. The skill for unlearning many things and then learning new things. Open to new learning, and then continuous updates on profession. These are the things which I would, rather recommend to the new aspiring CA students, that you should be in line with the technology support. Basically, what we do is we mix the CA experience with the IT experience, and then I think we will be a fine CA, because we can't isolatedly work CA separately and then IT separately, because now mostly, as I said, balance sheet has a greater involvement now on IT. So if we are not thorough on some of the control segments or control sectors which been using to generate a balance sheet, then we cannot audit that, or we cannot make an opinion on that. So what I recommend is mixing IT knowledge, and then our CA expertise will make you a good CA. And a CA should not forget to interact with human beings. That's a fundamental thing. It's a communication. We should not forget to interact. To learn and practice the comfortable level of IT, I already mentioned. Finally, you should be a good human being. You have to be a good human being. And then this question, most of the students must be interested to know this. Should I be good in mathematics for entering into CA? I suggest not really, but scoring a strong fundamental math skill is required in entire careers of a CA. It's all about maths IQ. Should think fast and analyze the figures. And I can't run without touching, a quote from great Rahul Dravid. I was poor at mathematics, so I chose commerce. In the second year of my BCom, I decided to do a CA in case cricket did not work out. After opening the first book, I doubled my efforts in cricket. That was his version. Which you should not take it as a negative quote. I'm just telling it as a positive quote. Maths is must in CA, but you don't need to be worried about mathematics. Basic maths with good IQ on maths will make you, a good CA student. And again, it's a joke. Basically, people CA, we do a lot of works. Yeah. So people ask, what is the similarity between a Miss Universe or a Mr. Universe and a CA? Both are concerned about the in the bracket figures. So figures, we do figure works. CA do figure works. But as I mentioned in my earlier slides, figure works, the scope of doing the job or the way we handle the figures are changing now. The trend is changing. So we should be able to adapt with the new technology to analyze the figures. And this quote has already been shown a couple of times earlier. I need MBA Ratan Tata's statement. And what is the future of CA course? Finance never dies. As long as there is an industry or business, finance is there. So finance never dies. Therefore, future of CA is always bright. That is what I feel. It opens doors for many employment opportunity across the globe. And as I mentioned, I'm not reading the whole lines, but instead I just wanted to show these are the things which self-practice. See, I said about 3 options. One is go for a self-practice, and second is taking a job, and then third one is starting own business. But these 2 are bit lengthy. So I would like to point out statutory and regulatory audit, which James sir already mentioned, and assurance. Mostly these have been covered. Self-practice. What are the points to be included? But please remember, these are not the exclusive points to be done under self-practice. These are only an indicative lines where you can focus, because these are the traditional way we are handling it. But towards the end of this lines, you can see business valuations, mergers and acquisitions, which are the recent trends in the market now for CAs, along with other traditional services. And then taking a job as an accounts manager, finance manager, CFO, CEO job, reporting officers, portfolio management, asset management, tax management, etc. These are also few area of the jobs which you can see, especially in the Middle East, or if you go anywhere in the globe now. These are very generic, job profiles. But if you see among these, portfolio management and asset management, are the area where the young CA aspirants must be mostly focusing on, because their idea should be more on stock market, investment, fund management. So basically these 2 points makes a lot of relevance in the modern times: portfolio management and asset management. So and then doing own job. When I say doing own job or own business, you can start any business. As a CA, once you are into a business, if you ask me a question, what business would you recommend? Any business, but fintech, like as a technology person, think of fintech industry, which is the trending segment now, especially like a CA. Like we can analyze the figures, we can research a lot on that, and then that will give you a lot of opportunity in the market now. And then this is also already discussed. I'm not see, these are reciprocity arrangement by ICAI. Why I mentioned this is in my slides are because these are opportunities. So these opportunity, these are the opportunity for the CA students. Once you qualify, there are many reciprocity arrangement by ICAI India with other institutes and other various associations where you can utilize those arrangements. And there are few bilateral cooperations between the ICAI and other associations or other countries. So students, you are in the right path. Know the profession first, join the profession, and then enjoy the profession. That's my suggestion. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for giving me an opportunity.
Thank you very much, CA Jayakrishnan, for enlightening our students and for sharing your thoughts about the various career path. I liked your one line which you mentioned, that as long as money, finance is there, CA will be there. So that's very interesting. And now I would like to request our chairman to present a certificate of appreciation on behalf of the ICAI Dubai chapter to CA Jayakrishnan.
Thank you, Jayakrishnan Saab. In fact, there is one question by Mohammed Iham. Is he a stressful job? So I would like to go back to the slide which is presented by Jayakrishnan Saab, the last slide, know the profession. What is that? The second line? Learn the profession and enjoy the profession. So when you enjoy the profession, there is no stressful. It is stress free. Thank you, Jayakrishnan sir.
Yeah, enjoy the profession is more important than joining the profession. That's what
Yeah,
I
yeah,
felt from my practical.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you, Jayakrishnan sir.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Jayakrishnan ji.